Hey everyone, welcome to the series of videos of jet engine modeling in NX. So first I'll create a new part. I have the location paste. Name it the first part as rare casing. Give OK. Save it. First I'll start with the revolve. Take any of the plane. First take a profile. Here to here it should be 190. Sorry, it's 98. And from here to here it's 190. The starting profile should be like this. We should fix. This is 16. Continue the profile. The inclined line and horizontal line, then inclined line, then horizontal line, and then one more inclined line. Let's dimension this. Horizontal dimension of this one is 12, and the vertical dimension is 10. And this one is 16. The horizontal of the next inclined line is 15.5. Vertical is 13. And the next horizontal line is 16. The angle of this one is 170.62. The horizontal dimension of this one is 121. From here, take a 3-point arc. Make these two tangential. And the radius of the arc is 75. Draw one more horizontal line. Make these two tangential. Okay. The dimension of this line is 33.5. So from here, take a spline with 4 points, including the starting and ending points. Give OK. Let's dimension them. From this point to this point, the vertical dimension is 0.4. The horizontal dimension is 2.2. The next point, horizontal dimension is 4. The vertical dimension is 1.6. The last point, vertical dimension is 3.2. Drawing line. What this and this should be tangential. And offset these lines. Take a single curve. This one, this one, this one. To here. Make these two corner. Give dimension for these two as 72 degrees. Make these two tangential. Let's go here. Draw one arc from here. Make this corner. Continue the profile. One more inclined line. More 3-point arc. So while drawing the arc, hold Alt to prevent any unnecessary constraints. More horizontal line. Okay. Draw from line from here. Draw this arc like this. Now let's dimension this. This is the width. This is radius 30. Make these two tangential. these two tangential. The dimension of this inclined line is 8.6. The radius of this one is 32. The horizontal dimension from here to here is 17. Okay. So that makes the sketch is really constrained. Exit from the sketch. Now the sketch is fully defined. I'll exit from the sketch. I'll take this as my rotating axis. Give OK. So that finishes our partial work of a rare casing. So let's continue this in next video. Thank you.